Hello out there. If anyone is listening, Earth is finally collapsing. Our great planet as we once knew it is about to reach its end. Due to the effects of climate change, such as typhoons, blizzards, tropical rainstorms, rising sea levels, and ocean acidification, our planet is completely devastated. However, I've heard from two astronomers that we have just discovered a new planet in the habitable zone of the sun-like star Kepler-22, and it could be humanity's last chance for survival.
Hi, I'm Olivia Ellenchev.
And I'm Brett, and we're here to inform you that there is one last possibility for the survival of humanity as we know it, the planet Kepler-22b.
The planet Kepler-22b is an extrasolar planet orbiting the habitable zone of the sun-like star Kepler-22. It is located 600 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Cygnus.
Now, Cygnus happens to be in the northern constellation of the plane of the Milky Way. Therefore, it's in the same galaxy as Earth.
There are signs that show that water could be available on the planet. The atmosphere is very similar to the atmosphere on Earth, and this leads to clues that water exists. The temperature is calculated to be about 22 degrees Celsius, which is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This is just right for liquid water.
The planet is estimated at 2.4 times larger in diameter than Earth. The orbit of the planet is fairly similar to Earth's 290 days compared to Earth's 365 days.
This planet is right in the heart of the habitable zone, which is the sweet spot around a star where temperatures are right for water to exist in its liquid form.
Some modifications must be added to its atmosphere, and that would be the differing weather conditions.
Rain and storms seem to be very prevalent. Although the atmosphere is thick enough to sustain life and protect from harmful rays and other harmful particles entering.
The surface of the planet is calculated to be mostly ocean, with just enough land covering it for humans to thrive.
It would be possible for the toxic gases on this planet to be completely avoided. Although, if the planet receives too much energy from its star, it could suffer from a runaway greenhouse effect, resulting in baking hot surface temperatures. This is very unlikely to occur.
The forces of gravity on this planet would be even stronger than our own planet, and this could be beneficial.
How are we going to provide items essential for human life?
The oxygen levels should remain stable when we arrive at the planet. We would bring decent amounts of food and water with us on the journey.
Next, we would eventually be able to begin growing our own life and food by bringing soil and other items that make it possible for those plants to thrive and grow.
The materials needed to provide shelters and protection would be taken with us as we travel to the planet.
Now, these characteristics make us confident that this planet could be habitable.
Is it possible that there is any life existing on the planet?
Since it is calculated that there are large oceans on the planet, life could exist in them. It is possible that sea creatures similar to our own may even exist.
I am working with a group of geologists to study the land and internal structure of the planet very closely.
I will be working with meteorologists and other scientists to investigate the atmosphere and the essential health risks that could occur if we are not properly equipped.
Within the next 6 months, we should be able to declare Kepler-22b as habitable for all of humanity.
Once the planet is declared 100% habitable, we must transport all that is left of the humanity onto the planet.
Now, how will we get to the planet, you may ask? Well, it may sound crazy, but we can use the new form of space travel put into rockets known as light speed. And how light speed works is that all you have to do, once you're in the rocket, is pull a lever and the rocket will travel the speed of light. However, we would need empty space to achieve this. And it may take a while to find empty space while we're up there. But once we do, we will have the exact amount of distance for us to reach the planet. But we have to wait about 10 minutes in between the time we go in and out of light speed, because if we just go straight into light speed without stopping, we could potentially run into crowded areas in space and collide with something which could cause fatal consequences. So stopping every 10 minutes will benefit us so that we can make sure that there is still enough empty space for us to reach the planet.
Once Kepler-22b is declared habitable, we will begin the transportation process to the New World.
This exoplanet is the only planet believed to be a promising spot to search for life.
With a estimated comfortable temperature of 72 degrees, it is the perfect temperature for liquid water.
The weather conditions are estimated to be similar to our own, with thunderstorms quite often.
The surface is rocky and full of oceans, yet there is enough land to thrive.
Kepler 22b is our last chance for humanity's survival. At this point, we can only hope and pray.
We have to do everything we can with whatever power we have left as humans to make this happen. Whoever is listening, please don't take this lightly. Thank you.